Hello guys, I got milk for puppy and we just got home the truck. Finally, we bring home, it's a 1983 F-250 Ford. It's kind called an antique. We got it in the Santa Fe right there. It's a kind of sunny. You see over there. So right now we're gonna go see puppy. Let's see the puppy what she said. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Let's see what the puppy say. Hi, puppy! Oh, look at that. Somebody barking. Puppy, puppy, puppy! Puppy, puppy! Yeah, they're out now. Puppy, puppy, got Milky! Hello, puppy! Get him! Woo, 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 woo. Somebody barking. Puppy, puppy, puppy! Pag nag-smile ka. Somebody barking! Somebody barking! Look at this! Line up! Yeah! Somebody barking! Puppy, puppy, puppy! It's sunny, it's warm. Pag nag-smile ka, mga problema mo'y nawawala. Yeah, we just got home. Puppy, puppy, puppy. It's your puppy. It's my baby. Look at that full of puppies. I'm their mama. Mama, where's your milky milk? Where's your milky milk? Yeah, you're crying, your milky milk. Can I get a milky? Where's your milky, milky, milky? Hey, milky, milky, milky. Yeah, milky, milky puppy. Ooh, look at that. Drink a lot. Look at the puppy. Watch the puppy. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, they drink a lot of milk. 10 puppies. Oh, they drink a lot, so much. Ooh. And one is going in the glass. What's up, Kisser? Kisser! Hey, Kisser! No milk to Kisser! Come on here, Kisser. What there, Kisser? Yeah, my puppy, puppy. And I'm puppy, puppy, puppy. I love my puppy. It's my baby, baby. And my baby, baby. Hello. You get fully loaded. Love, love, puppy, puppy, puppy. You love puppy, puppy, puppy. You know, mama, baby. Yeah, we just take up the board this morning so they can get out and use the bathroom. We take out the front right there. We change board. Na, na, na. Finally, we get out home. It was take 1 hour drive over in the Santa Fe. Oh, somebody spilled a lot too much milk. Yep, I was so sleepy, tired, and my husband and we beat up. I was fixed the thing because my dog was getting here, so it's put a staple. We keep coming. We don't know how my dog, the mama dog, was coming inside. Even it's locked up here, the dog pen. Yeah. Then let's see what's my job over here. Yeah, we put some tarp here. Right there, so it can't be rain for the puppies. Yesterday. Oh, look at the puppy still licking on the glass. Right here. Okay, licking on the glass. There's nothing on it. So right here, I was fixing. I show you. I fixing yesterday. This morning. Anyway, this morning because my mama dog will keep getting on the thing. I don't know what this ball. Stop. Is we put the tarp right there on the top. And, and I wonder why I keep my mama dog and I beat my husband today. I said, yeah, you're gonna give me banana split that my mama dog will not come in no more inside the cage, even it's locked up, because I fixed on here. I put some staples. Put the staples around all the corner over there. So usually he go crawl over here. She's pretty smart. Pepper, my dog, mama dog, and we put the tarp all over there, right there on the top, so it don't rain. So that's it. And we lock up, and I'll let my mama dog come in here to feed the puppies, and then I feed my puppies also milk. That's it. And today we're gonna go on basketball game for my husband, nephew, son. So we're gonna go attend on it, watch the basketball. So let's see what's the basketball game. They have a good, nice basketball game, and big area, clean and shiny. They're gonna start at 5:30 today. Bye, guys.